Hey guys, today I want to tell you about this product. This is a kitchen waste dispenser, and it is a really great solution for what to do with all your kitchen waste. So if you have old fruits and veggies and other items that are going bad, you can actually put them in this machine and it will turn it into compost, which is really great for your garden instead of just throwing it out. So a really great food waste dispenser product to lessen your waste in your home. So let's open it up. So here's the machine open and unboxed. On the top you have a ventilation system. You open this up, and inside there are 3 compartments. So this is the one you put the food into. This is the food waste compartment. And these 2 are carbon holder cylinders, like a filter. So it comes with the carbon pellets here. You just put them in here. So you take this out, open it up, put some carbon pellets in here, put the lid back on and put it back inside. And you do that for both of them. And then you put your food in. So I'm going to go to that point. So I have a bunch of lettuce that went bad while I was out of town. I'm going to put that in. Yeah, and then I have some orange peels also that I'm going to put in here. Close this. All right, this is plugged in. You can see the on-off button. I'm going to turn it on. There is an auto and a manual mode. So auto actually weighs the food and it determines how long for it to process based on the weight. And manual is you can set your own time. This just beeped. It's been going the whole time, so it's done. It's nice and warm, so I know it's been working. So open it and show you what it looks like inside. This was completely full. You can see how small that is now, and there's hardly any left.